Higgsfield just made their top models, Kling 3.0, Seedance 2.0, Nano Banana Pro, unlimited and free for 24 hours. And YouTube is full of videos showing you the sign up page. This is not that video, because here is what those videos don't tell you. This free offer takes your credit card and it auto renews at $59 a month if you forget one setting. And here is what they really don't tell you. One of these models stays free even after 24 hours end. I've been using it for weeks to make real ads for my e-commerce store without paying per video. So in this video, the 2-minute setup, the traps that cost you real money, and what's still free tomorrow when everyone else's videos are outdated, and everything I show today, including the automation at the end, is broken down step by step inside my community. Link is in the description and in the comment section. Let's go. Okay, so the setup. Quickly, because this part is the same in every video. This works for new accounts. Sign up through the offer link. If you don't see the 1-day trial banner on the pricing page, refresh the page or go through the link again. Going to the site directly often doesn't show the offer at all. So here is the banner on top, and in the pricing page, you will see it in the middle of the pricing page. $0 for unlimited access for 1 day. All top models, including Seedance 2.0. Special 1-day free trial, click get free trial, and once you are signed up, it will say start now, get 61% off. It asks for a credit card, I know, but stay with me because in a minute I will show you exactly how to protect yourself from that. Don't skip that part of the video. Once it's active, you will see 1-day unlimited free trial, and you will now have access to 21 models on the video side. So let's see here, Kling 3.0, as you can see, 15 seconds, 1080, and then you have unlimited mode here. When you activate this, it will generate the video for free, okay? So this is Kling 3.0, Kling motion control, here we have it, unlimited mode, up to 1080p, and we have Seedance 2.0, unlimited mode, 15 seconds, 1080p is up to 8 seconds here on Seedance, and as you can see we can do 16:9 or 9:16. And here we have Gemini Omni Flash, unlimited mode, up to 15 seconds. Nano Banana Pro, unlimited mode here. The free version, the unlimited version, works up to 2K. And then we have Nano Banana 2, same here, we can do up to 2K in resolution. And there is also ElevenLabs 3. As you can see, we have unlimited version on ElevenLabs 3 as well. That's the offer. Now the part that actually matters. When you're on Kling 3.0, even if you're on the unlimited model, it says 90 credits, but I thought it was unlimited. That's because I am on 4K, okay? Watch what happens when I switch to 1080 and unlimited mode. Okay, so this is the trick. Every time you generate a video, you have to use these settings and enable unlimited mode. Don't forget this, otherwise you will use credits, okay? These settings will be free. When there is the unlimited mode and you enable it, it means the generation will be free. Every model has its own exact free combination, so Kling 3.0, it's 1080p up to 15 seconds. Seedance 2.0, 1080p up to 8 seconds. So let's go to Seedance, 8 seconds. Because when I change to 9 seconds, unlimited mode, 1080p, 16:9. Let's just do a quick test here. I have 8,740 credits. I will generate this. Let's just say create an ad for this dress and then generate in unlimited mode. And now it's generating, as you can see. And in the end, when I have the clip ready, we will see how much credits I still have left in my account. So if the button says unlimited here, it means it's free. That's the whole rule. Higgsfield also posted the full list of free models on their X account. So here is the list, and as you can see, we have all of these models for free with unlimited generations. Okay, so the video is ready, let's watch it. So as you can see, Seedance 2.0, 1080p, and we had 8,740 credits, and now we still have 8,740 credits left. I will update the page just in case, and as you can see, 8,740 credits. So, trap number 2, the expensive one, and almost no English videos shows this part. So when your 24 hours end, this trial does not just quietly expire, it auto-renews into the Plus plan at $59 a month, okay? And here you can read more about it. As you can see, in 24 hours, unless you cancel, your subscription automatically renews to Plus $59 per month. And after that, Plus renews monthly until cancelled. So if you only came for the free day, here is what you do. So on the top right, your profile, and then manage account, and then subscription on the left menu. And in the end of the page, you see manage subscription. And here you press on continue to cancel. And that's it. You still keep your full 24 hours of unlimited generations. Nothing gets cut short. And if you want to be completely safe, after you cancel, remove your card from the account too. 2 smaller traps quickly. First, the trial runs on the relaxed queue. My renders took a minute or 2, but when it's busy and with this promo going viral, it can take a lot longer. Don't cancel and resubmit because you think it's stuck when you're generating. On anything paid, credits are charged when you submit, not when the video is delivered. Submit once and walk away, let the queue work. So when you generate, don't cancel. Let it work and wait it out. So the second thing is if you upload a photo of a real person for image to video, Seedance will pop up a verification message, and that's normal. It's there to stop deep fakes of people who never agreed to be in your video. Use your own face or a character you generated, hit confirm and you're fine. So now I'm uploading a photo of me and it's checking the content. I will say make me dance. Unlimited mode. We can only generate one unlimited video generation at a time when it's unlimited, so we have to wait until it finishes. Okay, let's try to generate now. So as you can see, I still have 8,740 credits left. The reason this video is still worth watching tomorrow, next week, when the 24 hours end, most of those models lock again, but Seedance 2.0 Fast, the fast version, I will show you here, this one, fast version, keeps an unlimited tier in the web app without the trial. This is not a rumor, this is how I've been making the ads for my store for weeks. This is how I've been making the ads for my store for weeks. All these ads were made exactly this way with 0 credits, okay? And one more setting that no one mentions is the bitrate. Set it to high, it's free, it doesn't touch the unlimited tier, and it makes 720 look noticeably cleaner. That's free quality, so take it. So one warning for the technical people watching, this free tier only exists on the website. The moment you connect Higgsfield to anything external, the API integrations, automations through the API, the exact same model builds full credits. So website is free, API is paid. Remember that, because it matters for what I'm about to show you. By the way, let's watch the AI video of me dancing. Well done. This is all free. Still have the same amount of credits as you can see on the top right, which brings me to how I actually use this. Clicking through one generation at a time is fine for testing, but watch this. This is Claude, the AI assistant, controlling my Chrome browser. It takes a product link from my store, writes the ad script, uploads the product image, sets every single setting we just covered, the unlimited toggle included, hits generate, waits, downloads the finished video into a folder, and moves on to the next product. So let's test it. We're gonna promote this dress here. So let's take the link, go back to Claude, and I will just say create a free ad for this dress with the link I just copied. Use Seedance 2.0, 8 seconds, 1080p, bitrate high, and I will say also 16:9 in aspect ratio. And that's it. During a window like this, 24-hour one, that's dozens of finished assets while you sleep. And because it drives the website, not the API, it stays completely on the free tier. Now I'm going to walk through building that in this video. It's a ready-made Claude skill, and it's sitting inside my Skool community AI video generator. In the classroom, you can find it in the skill directory. Free ad skill download, along with the exact step-by-step lesson showing you how to install it and run it on your own products. There is also a video guide. On how it works and how to install it and run it on your own products. You can also use this skill to create other things, not just products. For example, cinematic videos, etc. And here is also where I post every prompt from my videos, the full classroom, AI UGC ads, cinematic AI films, automations, and it's where I personally give feedback on the ads you make in the community here. The link is in the description and I pinned it in the comment section. It's the first comment, you can't miss it. Back to Claude, as you can see, it's working. Claude working here, it has already added the dress here and it will add the prompt. See, I don't touch anything. The orange mouse is the AI, the Claude. It added the prompt and now it will fix the settings so it will generate for free. Imagine what you can do with this skill. There are unlimited possibilities you can do with this. Just give it a list of prompts and it will generate each scene and each clip for you while you sleep. My hands are here. So as you can see, it will change the model to Seedance 2.0 because it was on Seedance 2.0 fast. And it's checking all the settings. Now it's gonna check for the quality and change it to 1080p. And I don't touch anything, it's doing everything automatically. And it also toggled unlimited mode on, okay? And now it will press on generate. Behind me you will see here, okay? And now the video is being generated. It's gonna wait until it's finished and it's gonna download it and go to the next video and next all day. Quick recap, sign up through the offer link, match each model's exact free settings. If the button shows a number, you're paying. Cancel the renewal today, not tomorrow. Submit once and trust the queue. And when the 24-hour window closes, Seedance 2.0 fast, 720p, bitrate high, is still free. That's the one I make real money with. The automation skill and everything else from this video is in the community, so check the description or pinned comment. And here we have the video ready. Let's watch it.
Min favoritklänning, så lätt och luftig och slitsen är perfekt. Som göt för somtkvällar, jag älskar den.
Now go generate something and see you tomorrow.